Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2016 Hyundai Accent, stock number 6233. This ran from the 6th 2015 to the 12th 2019. It has a G4 LLC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a CVT automatic transmission. This is a G4 LLC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre, right rear door 2 small dents, right front door 1 dent and 1 slight fold, right front door mirror, right front 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre, left front door card, right front master switch, centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,